Hello guys, welcome to another video. In this video, I'll start with some fun facts about C and declare the variables in C. Okay, let's start this. Some fun facts about C program. With few exceptions, C ignores spaces. It means C doesn't care where on a line statement. Note this with few exceptions. Alright, here you can see I write printf and given a lot of space and write name. It will show you the name with these spaces you have written in the argument. Okay, and let's see another one. Printf and a lot of space name. Lot of space. It will show you the same because as I said, it doesn't care where on a line statement curly brace or function occurs. Okay, this is a function and this is a curly brace. It doesn't matter to see where is this. Like if it would be here, there is no problem. Here no problem. So you can write anywhere, but with few exceptions. Let's see about this. You can't give any space here. Printf, in a built-in function you can't use a space, it won't work. Like see another example, int, the space, you can't use space here. The program won't run if you use any kind of space here. If you want, you can write the full program in a line. The output will be the same. The actual positioning of statements, function and braces is a stylics. The actual positioning of statements, function and braces is a stylistic, not a programming decision. Okay, it's clear to you. You can write the whole program in a line. Let's go to the variables. Declare variables. A variable is a memory location that can hold various values. All variables must be declared before they can be used. Variable declaration tells the compiler what type of variable is being used. C supports 5 different basic data types. Let's see. Type. I have written a table here. Type keyword symbol to get input. I will use it later. You will see that. As I said, C supports 5 different basic data types. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These 5 are data types. Character data. The keyword of the character data is char, the short form of character, and signed whole numbers. Whole number like positive numbers from 0 to infinity. It will be integer, a short form of integer. Floating point number. Floating point number. The keyword of floating point number is float. Okay. Double precision floating point numbers. The difference between floating point numbers and double precision floating point numbers is that double precision floating point number can hold more values than floating point numbers. When we will write a big program, we will use double instead of float. Okay, but while just getting an output of some summation of floating number, you can use float. Okay, valueless. It has no values. It will provide nothing to the compiler. The keyword of is void. You can also see the symbol, okay, character percentage C, int percentage D, float percentage F, double percentage LF. To declare a variable, use this general form: type variable name, where type is a C data type. These guys, you can't use the full meaning of this one. You can use these keywords in type. And var name is the name of variables. For example, counter to be of type integer. It's a variable and it's integer data type. I mean, it's a positive number, int. This is a type of variable and this is the name of variable. Counter, you can write anything in this variable name. Okay, there are two types of variables. One, global variables declared outside all function are global variables. They exist the entire time your program is executing. And local variables declared inside a function are called local variables. We have to declare all local variables as said by a function at the start of the function after the curly opening brace. A local variable is known to only the function in which it is declared. It means if a variable called count declared in a function, it has no relationship with another function. We have to declare separately in another function. One can declare more than one variable of the same type using a comma separated list. For example, this declares three floating point variables x, y, z, float x, y, z. However, let's see an example of global and local variables. Okay, let me write something. Let's see here. This is an example of global declaration. Global variables means variable that is outside of main block. This is main blocks and this variable is outside of the main block. So this is global variable. Global, sorry. So this is global variables. Okay. As you can see, this variable location is written inside the main block, so this is local variable. These two are the perfect example of global and local variable. You must remember the variable written inside the main block is local variable and the outside of main block is global variable. Okay, thank you. It's all for today. In the next video I'll show you how to assign a variable. Okay, and after that I will tell you some rule to write variables. Take care. Ta-ta.